Good morning, students. Continuing with the chapter number 3, Reproduction in Animals, we have already studied about the asexual reproduction. So today we'll start with the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction takes place in all the multicellular and higher organisms. Here, male organism and female organism are involved. Male organism produces the sperm. Female produces ova. The fusion of the sperm and ova produces zygote. The zygote, after many cell divisions, changes itself into the embryo, which finally grows in the individual. How the development of the embryo takes place. In cases of birds and reptiles, they are the egg-laying animals, birds and reptiles, and fishes and amphibians. So in the birds and reptiles, the embryo develops in a hard-shelled egg outside the mother's body. In the fishes and amphibians, embryo develops in eggs but inside the mother's body. In case of mammals like human beings, cat, dogs, etc., the embryo develops in the mother's body and gets the nourishment for the development from the mother's body through the umbilical cord. Now, moving on to the structure of a sperm cell as well as ovum cell. Sperm, the male reproductive cell, it consists of a head, a neck, and a tail. The head has the nucleus for the fusion with the ovum cell. The ovum cell is the female reproductive cell. It is round in shape and consists of a prominent nucleus. Now moving on to the reproduction in human beings. Human beings have got organs to produce the reproductive cells which are called gonads. In case of males, the gonads are the testes which produce the sperms, and in case of females, the ovaries produce the ova. So in this chapter we are going to study about the details of the female and the male reproductive systems. Now this is the diagram of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of two ovaries. These are whitish colored oval bodies located in the abdominal cavity. Inside the ovaries there is a group of cells which are called follicles. One mature egg begins to develop after every 4 weeks, alternatively in either of these follicles. These follicles join to the funnel-shaped muscular tube present in each ovary, which is called the fallopian tube or the oviduct. This passes the egg into the uterus. Now coming to the uterus. Uterus is the thick-walled, pear-shaped muscular hollow organ where the development of the embryo takes place. The embryo changes into a baby in the uterus. It lies in the lower abdomen behind the urinary bladder, and it narrows down. As we come down, it narrows down into a small opening called cervix. The cervix then opens in a wide muscular tube which receives the sperms. Vagina receives the sperms. It also serves as the birth canal through which the mature baby is delivered. Now moving on to the functions of different parts of the female reproductive system. Each ovary produces eggs and two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which help in the development of sexual characters in females. Oviduct is the site of fertilization where the fusion of the sperm and ova takes place. Uterus provides the room for developing embryo. That means embryo develops in the uterus. Cervix connects the uterus to the vagina, and vagina receives the sperms and serves as the birth canal. Now, ovulation. After attaining the puberty stage, the stage when the males and females are ready for reproduction is called puberty. The females release one mature egg every 28 days. After every 28 days, near about 28 days, the mature egg is released. This is called ovulation. The 28-day cycle is called the menstrual cycle. Now, in case the egg is not fertilized, the flow of blood takes place, which is called menstruation. It may takes the time of 3 to 5 days. Thank you.